ايه المشكلة كده؟ That's my cousin. So he just plays with you. I wish to shut up you cover. Blah blah blah. Hey, say this sugar out with the rain.
I'm going to take Ronnie and Jennifer someplace. I'll be back. You want to stay or go?
Stay.
Okay. Y'all behave.
You said Mom in here?
Yeah. If you need something, text me.
Okay. Come on, don't forget my story. If you stop, I'll start.
I'm not getting you a monster. Go.
Take it.
Like the time you donated blood at school. So this jockey nurse sticks a needle in my arm, right? This insanely hot nurse shoves a needle in Josh's arm. Oh, but no one told me that it was the nurse's first day on the job. It was her first day being a nurse. So as soon as my blood starts coming out, and when she sees the first drop of Josh's blood, she passes out. And when she fell down, the tube slipped off the needle, and my blood started just spurting all over the room.
Right side. Yeah. Yeah. What?
I love
His
you.
arm was spewing blood like a garden hose.
Well, that's what I'm saying. He's dangerous. What, baby?
I passed out. I was so unconscious. I got blood all over my blue sweater.
You missed camera? Oh, okay. I love you.
What?
Are y'all going to be good?
Yeah. Wait.
Don't touch the stove. Don't answer the front door. Okay?
Mother.
Nobody move from this room till we get back. Okay? Well, I mean, duh. You can go get something to drink and
I
go
love
pee.
making you. I love.
I mean, go downstairs.
For
Stand in the living room.
Why
Not
are you
rush
going
it to me.
downstairs?
Because that's what.
No, I mean, like,
No,
stay at the
you
house.
don't go downstairs.
What about? Isn't
You
that
don't go
where the food
downstairs.
is? Isn't that where the food is?
You won't need no food. You just ate. We're not going to be gone that long.
Or what about Jasmine?
What about Jasmine?
Is she leaving? You
I'd rather her not be on my bed.
let her be on your bed.
I know, but that's because I was changing my sheets and my blankets.
What?
No, I don't want to do that.
What?
This is today's
I said no.
newspaper with your name written on top.
Well,
What?
I don't care, but listen to me. I don't want you up and moving around, got it?
I thought
You all stay in here and you answer your phone if I call you.
What this means?
you're gonna have to call me on.
Me?
I know.
Call grandma.
Answer my phone.
Yeah.
Please get right.
Okay, then make a YouTube.
So, if I call you, you answer the phone.
You might wanna. You
I
might.
can't answer my YouTube.
I don't care.
No, she just come and say that you just can't.
Oh my gosh. Mom, look. I know.
I didn't know she could.
I love y'all.
My mama.
I'll be back.
Is Jasmine in here?
It's bad. Stay and make a YouTube. Don't make it up.
Jasmine.
I wish.
Time's going away, and now I have no one to watch my house.
Really? Oh, don't do it. Well, I'll do it. So we got
Josh, that's very sweet, but I have a dog and lots of plants. You don't know.
well, I'm great with dogs and plants. Oh, when I was little, I had a poodle and a goat. I named them both Jared. Where's she?
Stop. You really don't. Well, thank you, Josh.
Hey. Yeah.
Okay, Chris.
I am.
Teacher, offering 3 national teaching awards. I'd appreciate it if you would show me and my assignments due respect.
Come on down. Come on down.
Hey, James. Come here, James. Come here, James. Here's the guy. Here's the guy. Here's the guy.
Hi, Jenny. Get your cousin, Johnny. Love you, Mom.
Huh?
Love you, Mom.
I love you too. Y'all be good. I mean it. Okay?
Okay.
Be good. Don't answer the door. Don't go outside. Don't go downstairs. I got cameras. I'll be watching.
And Santa's watching.
I've got cameras everywhere.
And Santa's watching.
Yeah.
I'm not showing you because then you'll know. That would be kind of stupid for me to show you, don't you think?
Just tell him that Santa has. Doesn't Santa have the cameras though? Because he's watching them.
Well, yeah, he sees it from above. I love you.
Love you.
The Nickelodeon Halo Awards, Thanksgiving weekend, Sunday at 7 on Nickelodeon Everywhere. Keep it here. New and now. The Ballet Theater from Calico Critters. Take center stage as Prima Ballerina Belle. Twirl around with 3 ballerinas to the music of Swan Lake and the Nutcracker. Then connect your own device for a finale to your favorite song. The Calico Critters Ballet Theater. Batteries and device not included. It's new and now.
Prismacolor Premier Pencils. The artist quality coloring pencils that let you breathe vibrant color and life into every page. So don't just color. Prismacolor.
Guys, this is our chance to sing our hit song. On Star Horseshoe, Clover, and Balloon. Hourglass rainbow and also red balloon.
That's just our names. Word would you know? Magically delicious Lucky Charms cereal. Part of a good breakfast.
It's party time at the Coronation Pod. Bring your friends and bring your trolls. You can party with Poppy's Light Up Coronation Pod and Trolls today. Check the mark. They're truly trolls.
DreamWorks Trolls Poppy's Coronation Pod comes with $2. Other dolls sold separately. Batteries not included.
I'm here. Not on my watch, by your face. The power is in the fire. Respect it.
Make Emma's creations with Jenny's Design Studio. Click Jenny's creations together and sparkle in creations. With Jenny's, comes with everything you see here. Batteries not included.
New Star Wars Interact Tech Imperial Stormtrooper.
Stop the rebels!
The Stormtrooper that interacts with you.
Orders received. Rebels spotted. I need a weapon. I've got my gear. Let's take this fight to the sky. Oof.
I've got a bad feeling about this.
I got this!
With the Hasbro Star Wars Studio Effects app, film it and add effects. Ask a parent to download the app. New Interact Tech Stormtrooper. Figures each sold separately. Discover your Star Wars adventure.
Welcome to the Monster High High School. Keep it here.
All right. Could you move a little bit to the left?
I like this spot, don't you?
Yeah.
I like this spot.
Okay. What's that thing? Oh, it's an elliptical machine. For me. I'm going to start working out. Okay. I'd like to know what's so funny about me working out.
Oh, nothing. It's just the thought of you actually, working out.
Well, I bought it because I'm competing in Channel 7's annual 5K fun run.
Again? But doesn't that other weatherman always beat you? What's his name?
Who's one I told you never to mention his name in this house. And for the record, I'm going to win this year.
Bruce Winston's not right?
He's running. I'm just going to run faster.
grab a Coca-Cola. Oh, hey, Carlos.
Where are you headed?
Oh, I promised my teacher that I would take care of her house while she's out of town, so I'm just gonna feed her dog and water her plants and stuff.
Oh, good. On your way home, would you pick Megan up from oboe practice? I'm going to be here all night working out. It's not funny!
I'll pick up Megan. Thank you. I'll see you now. Hey, I'm alright with you. Why? Because I want to help you do stuff for Mrs. Hayden. Okay, the cheerleaders practice outside on Saturdays and it's on the way, so let's drive by slowly. No. Alright, we're not gonna gawk at cheerleaders. Roy McNeil and Karen Franklin are gonna be there. Don't they hate each other? Yes, they do. Think there might be a slap fight? If we're lucky, we'll join the cheerleaders. Why is it so much fun to watch cheerleaders fight? Don't question it, just love it. True that. Hey, Mrs. Safer is a pretty nice place. I've seen nicer. Right, she said she was gonna leave me a note, which should be right here. Hey, no snooping. Snooping. I'm rifling through her drawers to see what lies within. Well, I'm in charge, and I don't want you rifling through Mrs. Hafer's drawers. Oh, grow up. Wow, this girl's seriously hot. Miss New Jersey, 1976? That's Mrs. Hafer. That's Mrs. Hafer? There's a New Jersey? Yeah, they just opened it. Just stay put while I water the plants. Search for the stars. Will you put that back? I want to see what it is. Alright, fine. Just make sure you leave everything the way it was. Yeah, noise. No way. What is it? It's Mrs. Hafer on Search for the Stars, like from 1,000,000 years ago. Get out of here. Yeah, she's doing stand-up comedy.
So, we're from New Jersey. Well, we got this diner there, and there's a really old waitress, and she had a name tag that said Ethel Lincoln, and I said, oh, are you a descendant of Abraham Lincoln's? And she said, descendant of his mother.
Hey, don't you ground me! No, it's okay. George, shut up now!
Oh, look, a dog. Oh, yeah. Yeah, his name is, Tiberius. I'm supposed to feed him and give him his ear medicine, which is right here. Can you hold his ear while I put the drops in? I don't want to touch a dog's infected ear. Gross. Gross. On the way here, you ate a peanut off of the car floor. It was honey roast. Holy. Hi there, Tiberius. This is my brother Drake, and he's just gonna hold your ear. What's this dog's problem? Its problem is it wants to eat us, and we're in here. Mrs. Hafer asked you to watch her house. It doesn't mention her dog is homicidal. All right, not on the list. Stopped. Yeah. Well, maybe you went into another room. Go outside and check. You check. Ooh. I'm scared. Oh, and I'm in here because I love hanging with you by a twig. Fun. All right. You just turn it. I know how to work a knob. Do you see him? No, I think he's gone. Okay, now let's walk out slowly. Oh my God! Oh, how are we gonna get out of here? We gotta get out. Oh, how about that?
Shout to my Catero!